Welcome to my channel. Netgear AC750 Wi-Fi Range Extender Setup. Step 1. Power on the extender. Plug the extender into a power outlet near your Wi-Fi router. Wait for the power LED to turn solid green. If it doesn't, press the power button. Step 2. Connect the extender to your Wi-Fi network. You can use either the WPS setup method or the web browser setup method. Press the WPS button on the extender. The WPS LED will blink. Within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on your router. When the WPS LED on the extender turns solid green, the connection is successful. Relocate the extender to an area with poor Wi-Fi coverage, but within the range of your router. Use the router link LED to ensure the extender is in an optimal position. Green equals good connection. Web browser setup. Connect your computer, tablet, or smartphone to the extender's default Wi-Fi network. Network name, SSID, Netgear_EXT. Open a web browser and go to http://www.mywifi.ext.net or http://192.168.1.250. Select your existing Wi-Fi network. Enter your router's Wi-Fi password. Create a new SSID and password for the extender if prompted. Once setup is complete, relocate the extender to an optimal spot using the router link LED for guidance. Thanks for watching.